People think that wars are fought between armies and their weapons. But the fact of the matter is that wars are fought by industrial systems. The fact of the matter is that China has an industrial system that is far stronger, far bigger than our industrial system. And that is why they have the guts to come inside this country. The reason China is sitting inside this country is because India is refusing to produce. And I am worried that India is going to give up this revolution to the Chinese once again. If and when we fight a war with China, we will be fighting with Chinese electric motors, Chinese batteries, Chinese optics, and we will be buying Chinese motors, Chinese optics, Chinese batteries. It is a non-sustainable proposition. That is why for our security, for the future of our children, for the future of our country, we have to build a production system and we cannot allow this revolution to go by.
What are India's startups doing? They are focused on food delivery apps, turning unemployed youth into cheap labor so the rich can get their meals without moving out of their house. Against that, what does the Chinese startup do? Work on developing electric mobility, battery technologies, and with that they are today dominating the electric mobility ecosystem. We are very proud of what India has done. But are we the best in the world as yet? Not yet. Should we aspire to be? Or are we going to be happy being delivery boys and girls? Fancy ice cream and cookies. In fact, I know at least 3 or 4 billionaires whose children make on one brand or the other very fancy ice cream and cookies and run a very successful business, and I don't complain. But is that the destiny of India? या भारत का भविष्य उससे संतुष्ट है? Healthy ice cream, zero gluten free, whatever, I don't know. Vegan, ये सब शब्द लगा के अच्छी पैकेजिंग करके हम स्टार्टअप बोलते हैं अपने आप को. ये स्टार्टअप नहीं है, ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है, ये बिजनेस है. दूसरी तरफ सेमीकंडक्टर्स में ग्रोथ हो रही है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खुद की अपने देश की बन रही है लोगों की. They are investing heavily to become self-reliant, building chips, AI models which will prepare the nation. Robotics, automation, machine learning, preparing themselves for 3D manufacturing. Next-gen factories that are more efficient and that compete with the rest of the world. भारत ने क्या करना? आइसक्रीम बनानी है या चिप्स बनानी है?